Good morning, children. Saira. Welcome back to our English grammar class once again. And once again, today we are going to learn a new topic called adverbs and kinds of adverbs. So, our topic name is adverbs and kinds of adverbs. So, shall we start? Yes, here we go. Now, what is an adverb? So, what is an adverb? So, noun is the naming word, verb is the action word, and what is this adverb? So, adverb means a word. Adverb means a word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. It is so much confusing, right? Yes. So what I'll do is I'll explain you in an easy way. Okay. Now look at the sentences given down. The first one is Shweta sings sweetly. What is the sentence? Shweta sings sweetly. So say the sentence after me. Shweta sings sweetly. Okay. Number 2. Shweta is a very good girl. Number 2. Shweta is a very good girl. And number 3. Shweta reads quite clearly. Shweta reads quite clearly. So these are the 3 sentences. Now I'm going to explain you this confusing statement, right? So let me read and show you the word again, sentence again. A word that modifies the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb is called an adverb. Now let us take the first one. A word that modifies. Modifies means it changes. It gives more meaning to a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. So let us take the first one, verb. A word that modifies the meaning of a verb. Now look at the first sentence. Shweta sings sweetly. Now what is Shweta? I know she is a girl, but grammar? Yes, it is a noun. Shweta is a noun. And what is sings? She's singing. But what? Yes, it is verb. So Shweta is a noun, sings verb, and sweetly, how she is singing? Sweetly. So it is an adverb. Now sings sweetly. So sing is a verb. So we can say Shweta sings. So this sings, it gives, sweetly is the word that gives more meaning to it modifies the verb. Sweetly is the word. Sweetly is an adverb or it is a word that modifies the verb. So Shweta sings how? Sweetly. So sweetly is an adverb, right? So it is modifying the verb. Now next one. A word that modifies the meaning of an adjective. So see the second sentence. Shweta is a very good girl. Shweta is a very good girl. Now again Shweta is a noun. Is helping verb and good girl. So good girl, what type of girl? Good girl. So good is an adjective. So good is an adjective. So here Shweta is a very good girl. So how much good she is? Very good. How much good? Very good. So it is modifying the adjective. It is modifying the adjective. This very word is modifying the adjective. So very is an adverb here. Now last sentence. Shweta reads quite clearly. So again Shweta is a noun. Reads is a verb. Clearly is an adverb. So here A word that modifies the meaning of another adverb is called an adverb. So already adverb we have. Shweta reads clearly. Shweta is a noun. Reads is a verb. And clearly is a adverb. So how much clearly she is reading? Quite clearly. Okay. So this word quite, it modifies the adverb. So a clue to find out easily which word is adverb. So adverb always ends with ly or ry. Adverbs always ends with ly or ry. So these words are called as adverbs. Sweetly, clearly, happily, okay, beautifully. All these words are adverbs. Now let us see another example. Now look at this example. He understands things quickly. So they add meaning to the verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. So let us see the first one. As we saw the earlier slide, they add meaning to the verbs. So he understands things clearly, quickly. So here he is the pronoun, understands is the verb. So how much he understands things quickly. So how does he understands? He understands the things quickly. So this quickly, it modifies the verb. It modifies the verb. So quickly is the adverb. Number 2, he is a very quick learner. He is a very quick learner. So what type of learner? Quick learner. And how much quick? Very quick. So quick is an adjective. So it is modifying the very is modifying the adjective. Now next one is he learns very quickly. He learns very quickly. So quickly is an adverb. So how does he learn? He learns very quickly. So it modifies the adverb. Okay. So understood? So adverb means the word that modifies the verb or an adjective or other adverbs is called an adverb. Okay. Now there are different kinds of adverbs. They are adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time. Now you know to find out the adverb in the given sentence. You know to find out the adverb in the given sentence. So the clue which I give is ly or ry, right? And we have different kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner for your class, okay? Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place and adverbs of time. Adverbs of manner means how. Adverbs of place means some place will be mentioned in the sentence. Adverb of time. So now let us understand with the example sentence what are these kinds of adverbs. Now number 1 is adverbs of manner. So what is adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner tell us the manner or way in which something happens. In which something happens. For example, they answer the questions how. So after reading the sentence, you can ask the how question. For example, he speaks slowly. So how does he speak? He speaks slowly. So here you can use the how question. So how does it he speaks? He speaks very slowly. That is manner. He speaks very slowly. He speaks very softly. He speaks very loudly. He screams very loudly. So ly word, which is the adverb here. Ly I said. So ly is the adverb. And what kind of adverb? For that you have to ask the how question. So how does he speak? He speaks slowly. So it is the adverb of manner. So now let us see more examples. Now read these sentences. Number 1. The Indian fought bravely. The Indians fought bravely. Hari always speaks softly. Hari always speaks softly. The child wept bitterly. The child wept bitterly. Now here ly, ly, it is easy to find out the adverb. So we have underlined. Now we have to find out which kind of adverb. You have to state the kind of adverb, right? So the adverb of manner we are learning now. So for that you will ask how question. So the Indian fought bravely. So how did the Indian fought? Bravely. How did the Indians fought? Bravely. So you got the answer. So this bravely is the adverb of manner. Hari always speaks softly. So how does Hari speak always? Softly. Okay. So it's a adverb of manner. The child wept bitterly. So how did the child weep? How? Bitterly. Means very badly the child was crying. So bitterly is an adverb, and what kind? Adverb of manner. How? Okay, so if you get the answer for how, it is the adverb of manner. Now next one is Meena looks miserable. Hari speaks softly. Our team played well. So same thing. So how does Meena look? Miserable. How does Hari speak? Softly. How does our team play? Well. So which is an adverb here? Sorry. Miserable, softly, well. Okay. Now next one is exercise for adverbs of manner. Now you tell me which is the adverb here, adverb of manner. He walked fast. So how did he walk? Fast. How did he walk? Fast. So this fast. So what you will do? You will have to underline the word fast and write adverbs of manner. Already it will be there. You just have to choose the right answer. And next one is Sita laughed happily. Sita laughed happily. So how did Sita laugh? Happily. How did Sita laugh? Happily. So happily is the adverb of manner. And number 3. The boys were talking excitedly. The boys were talking excitedly. So how were the boys talking? Excitedly. So this is the adverbs of manner. So you got the answer for the how question, right? Now let's move to the next topic. So adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. So place means you will not see in the sentence Delhi, Chennai, London, not like that place. So let's understand by reading the example sentences. So what are adverbs of place? Adverbs of place tell us where things happen. Where things happen. Where it happened. They answer the questions where. They answer the questions where. Now the example sentences. The children had scattered the toys everywhere. The children have scattered. They have thrown here. They have thrown here. They threw everywhere the toys. So the children had scattered the toys everywhere. So which is the adverbs of place here? Sorry. So everywhere. So this everywhere is the adverb of place. So where did the children scatter the toys? Everywhere. Okay. So it is the adverb of place. Now let us see more examples. God is everywhere. The army moves forward. The bus stops there. So did you see any word like Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai? No. So the words which says the place. Okay, so God is everywhere. So where is God? Everywhere. Where is God? Everywhere. So everywhere is the place. So it was the adverb of place. The army moves forward. The army marched forward. So forward means front. Forward means they are moving in front. So where does the army move? Forward. Where does the army move? Forward. So forward is the adverb of place. The bus stops there. So where does the bus stop? There. Where does the bus stop? There. So there is a place. There means it is a place. You are showing there. Where does the bus stop? There. So there is a place that you are mentioning. So here there is the adverb of place. Okay. Now exercise for adverbs of place. The car was parked outside. My uncle has come back home. The children went ahead. Now for the adverb of place, you will ask where question. You will ask where question. So the car was parked outside. So where was the car parked? Outside. Where was the car parked? Outside. Number 2. My uncle has come back home. So where does the uncle has come? He has come. So where he has come? Yes, he has come back home. He has come back home. The children went ahead. So where do the children go? Ahead. Okay, so these are adverbs of place. These are adverbs of place. Okay, now next, we'll move to the next one. Sorry. Okay. Number 3. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Time means you will see the watch and say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. No. Let's read the sentence and understand what is adverbs of time. So adverbs of time tell us when things happen. When things happen. So it answers the questions when, how long. Okay. So they can answer the questions when or how long. So how question, where question, when question, and then find out what kind of adverb it is. So here they attended the class daily. They attended the class daily. So how long? Yeah, when did they attend the class? Daily. So it gives the answer for this when question. So daily is the adverb and it is adverb of time. Now let's read more sentences. Nitin comes to school regularly. The match began very early. I bought a sari yesterday. Nitin comes to school regularly. So when does Nitin come to school? Regularly. The match began very early. The match began very early. So when does the match begin? Early. I bought a sari yesterday. So when did I buy a sari? Yesterday. So these are adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Okay. Now, exercise for adverbs of time. He comes here regularly. So when did he comes? Yes, he comes regularly. So here regularly, and it is the adverb of time. My father will come tomorrow. So when does your father come? Tomorrow. So tomorrow, it is the adverb of time. Sita goes to bed late. So when Sita goes to bed, she goes to bed very late. So these are adverbs of time. Okay, children. So we have learned adverbs of what is an adverb and kinds of adverbs, that is manner, adverb of place, and adverb of time. Now, this is our end of this topic, today's session. And bye bye, children. Thank you.